Hi, Sarah Banas here, Learn to Craft. I'm going to show you something really neat today. I'm going to show you my new Cricut Easy Press 3. So Cricut was kind enough to send this to me so that I can show you how it works. It's a great machine. So I have always used a clamshell or a swing away heat press. I'm fairly new to this, but I'm very excited to try it out. I like that. So my clamshell and my swing away, both of those are downstairs in my studio where I have installed heavier grade electrical so that I can handle all of that type of machinery. This is right up in my craft room. I'm loving that. I'm loving that I can put this right on my craft table. It's right now it's already heated up. So this runs off of an app. I think you can also, actually, I'm sure that you can also use it without the app. But we're going to use it with the app because the app gives you a lot of information, especially for newer users. It'll tell you every step of the way what you're supposed to do. So if this video is of interest to you, like the video, but also subscribe to my channel. Coming out with new videos probably once or twice a week. A lot of stuff you're not going to want to miss coming up, especially the tutorials on learning how to design for yourself. So make sure you do subscribe to my channel. I'm going to link in the video description. I'll link everything we used here. We're going to use a fantastic design. I'll link that. I'll link the Easy Press 3. So I'm also going to link our Cricut for Beginners group on Facebook. It's about 580 or so thousand members at this point. Super friendly, super helpful. You'll fit right in. Make sure you join us there. So that'll all be in the video description under the video. Click the down button or where it says see more. That'll expand and all the links will be in there. So let's go ahead and get to work here. So we're going to select this and it's already connected. We're going to start a new project. So select material. We are going to use Cricut Smart Iron-On Vinyl. So I absolutely love this material. This material, we're going to use black, and it's got this super nice, like matte, almost velvety look finish to it. It's really nice. It's really nice. You'll see in a minute. And we're going to be ironing it on. I'm not sure. What is this shirt? I think it's cotton. Cotton, maybe a blend. So if it doesn't have it, I should have it on here, but if it does not, I'm going to take a guess at it. So this is, 100% cotton. Okay, so just see here. Give me a second. Okay, cotton. Okay, now we are going to use an Easy Press mat. So give me just 1 second. Smart Iron-On. Heat to 315. Pre-press. Just reading all the information to make sure that I am following their exact directions. Okay. Oh, and it tells you how long it's going to take to heat up, so that's nice. So I'll put this down here. I'm going to move the Easy Press to the side, and I'm going to put down the Easy Press mat. Excuse my little bump in the mat. I just unpacked this, so. Okay. So the first thing we're going to want to do, and this is no matter what kind of press you are using, the first thing you always want to do is you want to pre-press your material. So You're getting all of the wrinkles out, but also you're getting all of any moisture that may be in, move this a little bit, any moisture that may be in your fabric from the environment. That pre-press gets that out. So that will extend the longevity of your of your product. So that's an important step that you don't want to skip. I'm just getting all the wrinkles out here. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna take and I'm gonna put this on here, and I'm going to apply light pressure. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this. Actually, I'm gonna make sure, because this is a little bit bigger than, I wanna make sure that I'm getting the whole thing. Okay, now we have it all done. Oh, give me 1 second, let me make sure I have that out of the way. Okay. I'm gonna put that down. How great is that design? I'm gonna link that in the video description. So if you're ever trying to center your designs, go like that, and then just kind of crimp it on either end just a little bit, and that'll give you a guide to center your design. V-necks, you generally want to go no more than like 1.5 fingers down from the, you know, I think I might actually put I might actually put a little bit of tape on this just to be sure. No, actually the heat might be enough. Yeah, I think the heat will be enough. Okay, so now I'm going to take and I'm going to put this down on there. And I'm going to push that button and it's going to start counting down. And it's also going to start counting down on the app. And I'm going to have to do this twice because there's a piece over here that isn't covered. And, oh, it says to apply light pressure. Okay. And, you know what? So we're going to have to do it a little bit outside of what it's telling us to do. Because we have 2 parts that need, I have that extra little part over here. So it's actually telling me to flip it over now and do it for 15 more seconds. But I am going to do the other part and then I will flip it over and do the other side. Okay. Now I'm going to flip it over. Oops. And I'm going to press it from behind. I should have made more area on my overly used craft desk. I should have given myself a little bit more area to work with, but that's okay. All right, so now we're going to do this for 15 and 15. So we'll do that for 15 and apply light pressure. This is going to be super pretty. Okay, and now we'll move it over and we'll do the other 15 seconds over here. Okay, that's it. And that is all there is to it. So now, okay, so now this one, it's saying to let it cool to touch. So just let it cool down just a little bit. Oh, I just love that design. I'm going to turn off the Easy Press. And let it cool down just a little bit. Don't mind my nail polish. I meant to paint my nails last night, and I got busy working on a project and forgot. So you get my unpainted nails, or chipped. Worse yet, right? We're almost ready. Normally, what I do here. So let me just grab something that is kind of cool to, I don't really have anything right here. Normally what I do downstairs where I keep my, in my studio where I keep all of my heavier grade heat presses, what I do is I have a marble block that you run on here and it pulls all of the heat out. So let me try to actually just shake this just a little bit, try to cool it down a little bit faster because I want you to be able to see I want you to be able to see this finished. Just gonna, oh, that's cooling it right down. Just give it one more second. So while I'm doing this, let me just say again that if you're not in any of our Facebook groups, or all of them for that matter, make sure you do join. I'll link it in the video. I'll link one of them in the video description. We have a huge collaborative. It's about maybe, I don't know, 2.2 million members or something like that. Just great groups across the board. Cricut for Beginners, fantastic group. There's a bunch of knockoff groups out there that try to name themselves after us. Nothing like ours. So just make sure you join us if you want to be with like-minded people. I'll link that in the video description. This is cool. This is going to be so pretty. Okay, and like I said, I will link this in the video description also. Oh my goodness. So I can't wait to show you. I can't wait to pull this up and show you that matte. Oh boy, that is beautiful. That matte, and I'm telling you that. Ooh, I am impressed. I'll wash this a bunch of times, and I'll tell you guys how the washing worked out. But that's permanent. That's on there. I'm really, really impressed with this Easy Press 3. It is that was impressive. Wow. But I want to show you this. So look at that matte. Can you see that? Can you see that? It's hard to see in when you're not actually looking at it, but it's got this just flat, like dark slate gray black matte look to it. It's just it's become one of my absolute favorite types of vinyl to work with, HTV or iron-on to work with. Oh man, that's pretty. Okay, so that is the Easy Press 3. And the oh, and it's so soft too. It like feels like there's no line of demarcation there. It just feels like it's like I don't know how to explain it. It's just super duper soft. Love this material. I'll link some of this in the video description also. Definitely recommend grabbing some of this. It is, and the nice thing about this too is if you have an Explorer 3 or a Maker 3, you can cut this as long as you want. So this I didn't cut. I was going to cut it 12 when I was going to cut on a different material, and then I decided to go with this instead, and I was able to cut it 12.5. So that made all the difference with this design, that little bit extra. So that's it. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask them in the video, in the description below the video here on YouTube. Or better yet, come join me in the group and ask me right in the group. Always there, always happy to help with any questions you might have. So that's it. Have a good day. Bye.